Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'll be showing you how to load your ink and labels into your printer. First, you start with opening your printer. Starting with your printer open, everything green moves. Label holder, label guide bar release lever, print head release, another guide, ink take-up core, ink holder. This is your label gap sensor. It moves left to right, and you want these in the middle of your label. To load your labels, first start off by taking off the green holder. Put your labels on. When loading labels, this is the path you want to take. You want to go underneath the label guide, through the carriage, underneath the label gap sensor, underneath your print head, and out the front of the printer. So take your labels about 1.5 feet. We're going to go down, through, push the labels on as you're sliding. Go ahead and put your holder back on. Put your guider down and over. We're going to take this guide so it's snug. Go ahead and close your print head and your label guide release lever. You have successfully loaded your labels. To load your ink, start by taking your ink take-up core and putting it on the holder. Take your ink, take about 1 foot off, put it halfway on. We're going to go through the S in front of the label gap sensor, underneath the print head, to your take-up core. Go ahead and attach it. Rewind counterclockwise. Until you have about 1/16 of an inch of the ink passing. Go ahead and close your latches. You've successfully loaded your printer. If you followed these steps, you have successfully loaded your ink and labels. Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'll be showing you how to properly calibrate your printer. First, you start by hitting the calibration button on the home screen. Starting at the calibration menu, you have your 3 types of labels: gap, black mark, and continuous. Gap is going to be your most commonly used label with a gap in between each label. Black mark, you will have a black mark on the back side of the liner of your sticker. Continuous is a continuous roll such as vinyl. We're going to go ahead and click gap, and it should shoot out 3 to 4 labels. When your labels are finished feeding, your calibration is complete. If you follow these steps, you have successfully calibrated your printer. Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'll be showing you how to properly print your configuration. First, you start by pressing the menu button on the home screen. Starting from the menu screen, click Diagnostic, Print Configuration. You have successfully printed your configuration. If you follow these steps, you have successfully printed your configuration. Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'll be showing you how to unload your printer. First, you start with opening your printer. To unload your printer, start by unhooking your latches. Go ahead and pull this guider out and roll up your labels. Take the guider and remove your labels. Place the guider back on. You've successfully unloaded your labels. Time to unload your ink. To unload your ink, take your scissors and cut the top part of your used ink. Go ahead and remove your cores and put them off to the side. You have successfully unloaded your printer. If you follow these steps, you have successfully unloaded your printer. Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'll be showing you proper printer maintenance. First, you start with opening your printer. 3 things you need for proper printer maintenance: microfiber towel, isopropyl alcohol, compressed air. For proper printer maintenance, take your compressed air and spray out any dust particles left in your printer. Next, you want to take your isopropyl alcohol and dab it onto your microfiber towel. Take your microfiber towel with the alcohol, and we're going to wipe your print head, which is this bluish green bar underneath. Go ahead and wipe it. Let dry for 30 seconds, and you have completed proper printer maintenance. If you followed these steps, you have successfully completed proper printer maintenance.